Hello everyone, today I'm going to review LENSGO 318D microphone. This is the latest microphone from LENSGO. This product is slightly different than normal. It comes with transmitter and receiver and neck microphone, as you can see here, and included earphone as well. So first let's open the box and see what comes inside, and then I will test the microphone. And before anything, thanks LENSGO for sending me this product for review. So let's start. The microphone comes in a very decent big packaging. On both sides of the box we can see the multi-usage ways printed on. The instruction guide is the first item we will find. It gives you a good information about how to use the microphone. We will notice an empty space for another neck transmitter in case you ordered two in one box. This is the label microphone transmitter. The microphone receiver with TRRS connection built in. And then we will find the neck microphone transmitter with a built-in earphone. And this is the TRRS to TRS converter. And finally, we will have the USB Type-C to USB-A charging connection. The microphone transmitter has a power button on the front and built-in mic on the top, and Type-C charging port on the side, and a lavalier mic port on the other side. On the back there is hanging clip for the transmitter. The receiver has a power button and 3 power and connection indicators on the front, and headphone port on the side. The other side has USB-C port for charging. The neck transmitter has a rechargeable lithium battery pack on the left side. And on the other side is where we will find the power button and the USB charging port. The microphone built in on the wire with a right-sided earphone. The converter is here to give you the ability to use the microphone receiver with your TRS camera port. LENSGO supplied this product with USB-C cable for all the units one-shot charging. We can charge them by 5-volt USB adapter or computer or a power bank. Let's switch on the microphone by long press on the receiver's power button until the power indicator turns on. Then do the same with the transmitter until the blue light turns on as well. The same way on the neck transmitter. Then we will notice on the receiver unit all the lights are turned on. If we need to use an external lavalier mic, easily connect it to the transmitter port. These LENSGO 318D microphone test. 1 2 3 test, 1 2 3 test. Now I will do double click on the power button to activate the reverb option and see the quality of it. 1, 2, 3 test, 1, 2, 3 test. To deactivate this option, you have to do another double click on the power button. 1, 2, 3 test, 1, 2, 3 test. Now let's test the neck transmitter and see how the quality of it. These LENSGO test. 1, 2, 3 test, 1, 2, 3 test. Now you can hear me from the neck transmitter, and now I can hear my voice in the earphone. And let's go now for the reverb option. The same way, double click on the power button to activate the reverb option. I get notification on the earphone telling me that the reverb option is activated. 1, 2, 3 test, 1, 2, 3 test. And I will deactivate it now. You'll hear the notification that it's deactivated. 1, 2, 3 test, 1, 2, 3 test. In the end of the video, I want to thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.